Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to install Kali Linux on Windows using VirtualBox. I'll walk you through step by step on how to set up the virtual environment and get Kali Linux up and running without having to install it directly on your computer. Let's get started. So let's grab the VirtualBox installer for Windows. Now, let's go to the official Kali Linux site to download the file. We pick Kali Linux for virtual machines and then select VirtualBox. Now, in the Downloads folder, we find the VirtualBox installer and the Kali Linux file. First, we click on the VirtualBox installer and wait for the window to open. Then, we accept all the terms and keep all the options as default. VirtualBox is all set up, so now we can continue with Kali Linux. We'll extract the Kali Linux files using 7-zip. Once the extraction is complete, we locate the folder with the 2 Kali Linux files. Then, we close VirtualBox and open it again. Next, in VirtualBox, we hit Add and choose the Kali Linux file. After that, everything should work perfectly. Alright, hit start and just wait, don't click anything else. The virtual machine will boot up and Kali Linux will open. At the login screen, just use Kali for both the username and password. And that's it for today. We successfully installed Kali Linux on Windows using VirtualBox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.